guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Leruta Bella. Thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate every single one of you. So today's guys video, I have some surprise for you. So I received this Basti breast tape kit, and I haven't tried yet, so we're gonna go ahead and try them on. So right now I'm not wearing anything under the shirt, so you can see the before, and I'm gonna go ahead and put this on and then see the difference between before and after. So as you can see right now, it's really nothing at all. So let's try them on and I'll show you how it looks before and after. So before I start trying on, I'm gonna show you what the box come with. So it comes with breast tape. Okay, this is the tape, and also it comes with the we also come with the manual, the instruction. I mean, it tells you exactly how to use it. It's very simple and easy steps to, it shows you exactly what's, how to use it. And it also comes with a pair of reusable silicone for, to lift your nipple. And it also comes with a pair with a few pairs of satin flower nipple cover. So, and of course he also comes with a bag. After you open it, you can put it here in a bag. Very thoughtful for this. And also it comes with the skin sensitivity test kit. So before you start to use it, you can use this to apply to make sure that your skin is not sensitive to it. So that's what we have. So I'm gonna go ahead, try them on, and I'll be right back. And this is the after. You can see how my boob is big. It's like pump. And that's the look that I was going for. So this kit, it's called Basti's. It's a breast tape kit. It's really good, and you can see the transform. It really transformed my boobs. It's really nice and it's steady, like it's not moving anywhere, but you can see that my baby, it's plump and all that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please share with friends and family, and go check this breast tape kit. And it's really nice. Go check it out. I'm gonna leave the link down below, so you can just click on it and it's gonna take you straight to where you can purchase yours. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share this video with friends and family, so all beautiful ladies can look beautiful in this amazing breast tape kit. Like, it's really good, especially like when you're wearing a dress. You don't want to show the the breast, the bra straps or whatever. So this is amazing. It looks nice, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time with my new video. Bye bye. Look at my baby.